Hello, good morning. Pipinito Restaurant. I'm Romel. How may I help you?
I would like to make table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I know whom am I speaking to?
Mr. Liu.
Mr. Leo, should I make this table reservation in your name?
Yes.
When do you want to make the reservation, ma'am?
For tonight.
For how many people, Miss Tulio?
One person only.
At what time, Miss Tulio?
At 8 p.m.
Would you like smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table booking?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation at 8 p.m. for 2 persons in the non-smoking area under your name, Mrs. Tulio.
Yes.
Miss Tulio, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Pibinito Restaurant. We look forward in welcoming you. Good evening. Welcome to Pibinito Restaurant. May I please to ask if we have a reservation under your name?
Yes, I have.
Yes, ma'am. Your table is ready. Miss, this way po, ma'am. May I assist you with your table napkin?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu. This is your choice for appetizer, soup, salad, and dressing dishes, dessert, drink, bottled water, sodas, juice, teas, coffees, pictures, cocktails, mocktails, and whites. Excuse me at the moment. Excuse me, I feel your excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you ready to place your order?
Yes. I have a one order of ribeye steak and red wine.
So that's all the ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? For your main course, I ordered rib eye steak. And for your drinks, I ordered for red wine. Your order will be served in one. May I take the menu, ma'am? Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Here, good. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your silver spoon. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your wine for rib eye steak. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here your main course. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done eating your main dish? Excuse me. Excuse me. Here's your bill.
Here's my card.
I receive ATM card. I pick up to verify your card. Excuse me. looking forward for your next visit. Thank you for training with us and please do enjoy the rest of your evening.